War for lathe on the first lathe operation on the heads. This is old school shit that most machinists these days don't know about these machines, and can't blame them. Multiple operations here. The only way a machine like this can even have a prayer of being competitive. Chamber shapes. Spacing just by eye. Done them enough. Probably within 10 now. This is kind of a pain in the ass. And chamfer. Polish every combustion chamber. First stop.
Tickets go on sale Monday for AC/DC at Gillette Stadium on August 22nd. The 40th annual Boston Sci-Fi Film Festival and Marathon continues at the Somerville Theater, and Mike Birbiglia will be over at the Wheeler Theater tomorrow. And that's the word on the street. For more info, check WAAF.com.
tapping.
With the retail.
Or just spend the morning sleeping in. In life, there are unlimited possibilities. No keeping some for the life.
And that's how you rock 1940s vintage turkey.
The check engine. Stop by AutoZone. We'll pull your trouble code for free and help you figure out what's wrong so you can keep moving.
I'm Amanda, selecting fashion stylist and designer, inviting to celebrate Black History Month with me as Macy salutes the impact of African American style. Join me and fellow fashion designer Janetta Bruno at Macy's as we discuss the styles, accessories, and attitude of the soul and its influence on today's catwalks and red carpets. Be here for fabulous fashion shows and special receptions with me.
Oh, is this thing going?
For more info, visit Macy's.com/celebrate.
Imagine a store that lets you get the things you wanted, how you want it. Don't want to use your credit?
What?
Don't have credit. Don't worry.
Dude, I don't even know.
Paydates, so you're never short on cash. It's up to you. Imagine payments